It goes. So I got the steering wheel control works. I'm gonna turn that down, and today I got a 2014 right here. This is a Dodge Journey, and well, I'm gonna change the speakers, but I'm not gonna be able to show you that. I'm gonna show you how to. I already remove this stereo already. I do have another channel that not a channel. I'm sorry, another video showing you how to remove this. It's pretty simple. You just pop this piece off and these a little bit out, like right here, and then you got a few screw right there, and then it's pretty simple. So I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to show what I'm going to be showing you is how to install an Android system. So what we're going to do, we're going to run a Bluetooth mic down here. I usually keep it right there, that way when you speak out here you can be able to, they can be able to hear you instead of say, hey, are you putting me on a mic? But yeah, so what I got all that out, and this is probably the second stereo I've done, but not the Android. So what we got right there, we got the GPS, we got the mic I'm talking about, we got the backup camera. You got to hook it up no matter what, because this right there is antenna for Bluetooth. And you got the plug for the mic, and if you do amplify install and such, you're gonna need these. And you got this two plug right there. This is for like if you adding a SD card, or a yeah, if you want to put any sort of am I saying it right, SD card or some sort of GPS, not GPS device, or I can't remember right now, but I know what I just can't remember in my head. It's early morning. I just got here and trying to get this thing going. So, and it's got this CAN bus right there. We're gonna plug that and that to the stereo. The plug right there. This is the plug that we're gonna have to plug, and this is the screen, and this is this come with it like that, where you put the vent and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start off doing the. As you can see, I didn't do much of editing. Start off right here, right there, starting right there by pulling it out like so. It's pretty easy. I'm used to pulling it out. So I'm gonna pry that out and run it here inside there somehow, down there, and go underneath here and go up there. In some case, I use this grabber right there. I call it a grabber. I don't know exactly what they call. What you do, you push this, and it's gonna go like that. So we're gonna slide it through there, and then push and grab and pull. Push, grab, and pull. Let's see where that's gonna be at. I don't want the video to be too long, so. Might have to pull it out from that side right there. All right, now we're gonna run the SD card, the USB. We're gonna push through this glove compartment right there. About you can see it right here, right there. You just grab it and leave it about right there, and you can just put it right close back. Customer told me this got a built-in camera. I'm like, no, it doesn't have one. Got it all done. I'm gonna start over here by flipping this around. Make sure you have some sort of protection right there to protect it from damaging. So I'm gonna start off at plugging this main thing in here. This from the to the CAN bus. Okay, now we're gonna plug this radio antenna. Plug this jacks. Everything should be plugged in. Make sure you got, see, you can literally go like this and it'll go in, but you're gonna damage it. So make sure you plug it right. See? Plug, make sure it's snap in like that so it don't just come loose. We're gonna use this. So instead of using the other USB, I'm gonna use this instead. about that. I don't want to be going upside down. We're going to plug to that original piece. I'll show you on this part. And then we're going to plug in the camera. Even though we might not be doing it, depending on the customer, they want to pay extra. I'm going to do that. And now, like I was saying, I've done a lot of this car, but I never really doing the Android. This is the first time, but bear with me. If I said it wrong, just bear with me. Here's a camera if they're gonna do that, but now I'm gonna plug the main plug right here. Just be careful, don't push it too hard. And then this CAN bus wire will go straight to this piece right there. So remember this piece right there is for the USB, the other USB, the one that's got 6 plug. So I might have to pull the other one out. And then this one, what is that? I forgot. Oh, it doesn't have it on here, but I forgot what it is. It's all the wire that came with it. So now I'm just move this down here. I'm going to take the factory so I can put the vent right there. So in order to do that, you're going to need to remove this screw right there. There's one, there's two, and we're going to flip the same way right here, like that. You see that right there? So let me see if I can get it out by one hand. If not, I'm going to have to use 2 hands. Let's see what I have to look at. Ooh, this thing broke already right there. I didn't do that. Somebody tried to pull this out one time. But see, I know this clip. You see that clip right there? You see how they're gonna get that going right there. Now right here, you're gonna be trying to take a flathead and pry this out right there. And then use another flathead or your fingernail to grab this piece out right there, this corner right there. And then you just lift it out like so, right here. Same as this, do the same thing. And now you'll be able to see this clip right there. See this clip right there? You need right there, you need to pry it out like that and kind of lift one side at a time. I'm trying to get this thing out of the way. Right there, and push it from the back, the front. I think you're gonna have to take this other screw out too, right there. Let me try that out. Maybe it works easier. All right, what I've done right there, I went in here and I tried to pry this one out. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. This 4 out. And then I kind of lift it straight up. It was not that difficult, but it was not that easy either. So something like this, you don't have to fix it, but if you want to fix it, you can use the, we have a glue. You can use a glue or you can use the plastic welding tools, which we got. But let me see if it stays good or not. So I removed this beauty ring right there and put it down here to make it look, see that? And then I'm gonna lift that and put it here. What you wanna do, you wanna start, see that right there? You wanna start aligning from here. Make sure that this clip is going in this holes in there, the groove, that right there. See, it's going in that piece right there. So it's gonna snap in like that, watch. Boom, snap. Now I'm gonna try to fit that in there. Be careful not to break it, slide it in. Same thing right here for the second one. Kind of pry it out a little bit so it go in like that. When you hear the clip, you're good. So I'm gonna put this screw back in here. I noticed that they have this 4 screw right there. I don't know if it's gonna work with that screw or we're gonna have to use the original one. Most likely, I think yeah, original one, because that screw is way too small right there. They do have a couple instructions how to remove it. Oh, right there too, but gosh, the instruction doesn't look so good to me. Just unscrew, use temporary. This all just show you how to disassemble, not how to put it in. I think the most important part is how to put it in. So I'm gonna put a screw right here. I take it back, I got it all wrong. So basically, don't put this in yet. Put this in first right there. All this right there is gonna match right there. I didn't do that part, so I had to take it off and put in this one first. Like start with this first before you put this vent in there. So don't put the vent last. I mean, put the vent last, not don't put the vent last. Put the vent last. I'll take it back, it's fine. Put that first and just kind of lift this up a little bit so you can slide it in. Then you can use the original screw to screw it in. Just make sure when you use a drill, be careful with the drill. A lot of people, it's no good using the drill. They think drill is easy. Just use your hand Phillips. Now once you're done, it's gonna look so good right there. Everything should match like that. So use your screw. Don't over tighten it, because if you do, you're gonna break something. And you see how I did it right there. It's perfect right there. And you can use this little screw that came with it to put on here to hold on to the front plastic. As you can see, there's 3 of them that I did. So there might be more somewhere that I might not see it all, but so far so good right there. Make sure the vent is moving left and right to open and close. So we got majority of it done. So we're gonna have to, you see this clip right there, you're gonna have to remove that, this clip. Just 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4. I don't think you really need this one clip. I would just worry about this, but it's up to you guys. Let's remove this clip by taking a flathead and pry it out, or one of these this hook tool right there, just kind of coming up here and lift it a little bit. Make sure you hold something, because it might fly up there right there. Once you get it out, take it out here and just push it straight in like that. And then 2 more I'm gonna have to do. Now we are here at the inside the car. So I'm gonna put something over this, like a cloth or something like that. Let me see if I have to put this up here. Yes, I'm gonna move this wire up here, because this is where the plugs and everything's gonna be at. Right there. What's on my right? Let me see. Let me try. This thing gonna be here. So what happened here? Those thing right there. Yeah, you're gonna have to move everything up like that. Show you right here, I got everything plugged. I'm gonna plug this main plug in here, but right there, as you can see, this piece is on the top. I'm gonna try to, okay, I'm gonna plug that main one in first right there. This to this, the top. You got that plug, you got another plug. I remember seeing it. It's the square looking plug right here. I'm gonna plug using the one hand I have. Now, we're not gonna plug this. I don't know what that is. If you can tell me what it is, that'd be a great help. I'm helping you guys, and if you guys find out what it is, you tell me, because I don't know what that is. So now I'm gonna plug the I'm gonna plug the mic right here to this black plug. Guys, you guys can comment below if how I do and how it should be done, or if I miss anything. Comment below, because I don't have it all too. Now one more thing is the antenna. Now the customers got two nice 15 in the back, so they're gonna need like a RCA jack ran to over here. It's gonna get a better sound by hooking up to this this blue wire right there. It's a subwoofer. I'm gonna talk to them about that. Well, I was talking about this plug right there. Make sure you tape them after you plug it in, because it will come out. Antenna, I thought I got the right one. This is not antenna for radio station, so you need to plug on the white one for the radio station. Now I'm going to plug my main harness in there. Well, actually, yes, plug in the main harness, which is this right there. I need to plug that in also, but I had to do this ahead first. Alright, so I got this extended long enough so I can plug this in. Don't forget to plug in the USB that's got the 6 plug. It's gonna go right here. I'm gonna have to pull one of them out because one of them is not needed. Now I'm gonna power it up. There it goes. So I got the steering wheel control works. I'm gonna turn that down, and you can do your setting right here. I made some setting already. You can adjust the sound by turning your loudness, your bass on, so you can get a good bass music on it. Click on homes, and you want to pull down like this. See how I slide it down, and you can search for your Wi-Fi. Just click on that one, and it's going to search your Wi-Fi around there. I'm not going to show you all that. So basically we're going to go up here. We're going to go to setting. You can record your voice. Steering wheel's already control already. Video, there might be a good video in there. I don't know what it's got in there. So it's got one of this nice video right there. It's a digital 4K, and you can see that right there. That's a nice video right there. Okay, so basically the SD card that are on there right here, you can just plug the memories in there, and you should be able to have this kind of music video right there. Look how nice it is. But yeah, let's go back. And you got Bluetooth setting, you got wireless CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, and Android Play. You see Android Autoplay, and you got a bunch of stuff. You can click on YouTube and watch YouTube by, to your Wi-Fi stream, H2D stream. I don't know what that is. So yeah, basically, and you can read your manual, and if you make some, see. So you can click on that
and have him stand up right in his wheelhouse.
So there we go, and that's it.